In this video, we will explore Chomsky Normal Form, often abbreviated as CNF. We will learn how to convert context-free grammars into this standard format. Chomsky Normal Form is a simplified and standardized form for context-free grammars. It makes parsing and other formal language operations easier and more efficient. A context-free grammar is in Chomsky Normal Form if every production rule is of one of two forms. First, a variable produces two variables, written as A derives BC. Second, a variable produces a single terminal written as A derives A. In the first form, A produces B followed by C, where A, B, and C are all variables. In the second form, A produces A, where A is a variable, and A is a terminal symbol. These two forms are the only allowed production rules in Chomsky Normal Form. To convert a context-free grammar into Chomsky Normal Form, follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Eliminate epsilon productions, that is, remove all null productions. Step 2. Eliminate unit productions, that is, remove productions of the form A derives B. Step 3. Replace terminal symbols in productions that have mixed terminal and variable symbols. Step 4. Break long productions or split productions that have 3 or more variables on the right-hand side. Step 1 involves eliminating epsilon productions, also known as null productions. These are production rules in the form A derives epsilon, where A is a variable and epsilon represents an empty string. Let's look at an example. Before, we have the following productions. S derives AB, A derives A or epsilon, and B derives B or epsilon. After eliminating epsilon productions, we have S derives AB, A, B, or epsilon. A derives A, and B derives B. Step 2 involves eliminating unit productions. These are production rules in the form A derives B, where both A and B are variables. Let's look at an example. Before, we have the productions S derives AB, A, or B. A derives A, and B derives B. After eliminating unit productions, we have S derives AB, A, or B. A derives A, and B derives B. Step 3 involves replacing terminal symbols. In this step, we address productions where a variable derives a mix of terminal and variable symbols. For example, S derives AB. To adhere to Chomsky Normal Form, we need to ensure that terminals appear alone on the right-hand side of the production rule. Before, we have the productions S derives AB or A, and B derives B. After replacing terminal symbols, we have S derives XB or A, B derives B, and X derives A. Step 4 involves breaking long productions. This applies to production rules where a variable derives 3 or more variables. For example, S derives ABC. Chomsky Normal Form requires that productions have at most 2 variables on the right-hand side. Before, we have S derives ABC, A derives A, B derives B, and C derives C. After breaking long productions, we have S derives AY, Y derives BC, A derives A, B derives B, and D derives C. After completing all the conversion steps, the grammar is now successfully converted to Chomsky Normal Form. Here is the final result. S derives AY, A, or B. Y derives BC. A derives A, B derives B, and C derives C. Each production rule now conforms to either A derives BC or A derives A, where A, B, and C are variables, and A is a terminal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.